Attention to Heather Clark. I'm now approaching the demolition of the Magistrates Court. There's a lot of dust in the air, incredible amount of dust in the air. You can taste it as once we approach the corner of Nelson Street. As you can see, this you can see the dust on the film itself. The crane is there. They've knocked a hole through the thing, and this is also asbestos in this building. There's actually no barriers. It's just the dust is everywhere. I just think that in terms of health and safety, this is a really bad situation. Anyway, I'm posting this on to you. Hope you can deal with this. And I just wondered what risk assessment was in place when this project started. Okay then, that's all for now. Thank you, bye.